Saya adalah hamba Tuhan yang menyampaikan firman-Nya kepada saudara. Dengan nama Allah Bapa dan nama anaknya Tuhan Yesus Kristus dan nama Roh Kudus saya mengatakan, yang dipersatukan oleh Allah tidak boleh diceraikan oleh manusia. Amin.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet.
Ophelia Renata Sinamu, di hadapan Allah dan jemaatnya, kukenakan cincin ini di jarimu sebagai tanda kesetiaanku kepadamu. Dan sebagai suami yang takut kepada Tuhan, aku berjanji akan mengasihimu pada waktu kelimpahan maupun kekurangan, pada waktu sehat maupun sakit, sampai kematian memisahkan kita kelak.
Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I know, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the ground.
Christopher Simanjuntak, di hadapan Allah dan jemaatnya, kukenakan cincin ini di jarimu, sebagai tanda kesetiaanku kepadamu. Dan sebagai istri yang takut kepada Tuhan, aku berjanji akan mengasihimu pada waktu kelimpahan maupun kekurangan, pada waktu sehat maupun sakit, sampai kematian memisahkan kita kelak.
Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Selamat menempuh hidup baru buat Bang Kristo dan Kak Ophelia. Semoga keluarga yang baru diberkati Tuhan. Semoga cepat dapat momongan. Terus semoga bisa jadi teladan buat kami adik-adiknya.
Hai Lai, hai Kak, ini aku Anda. Happy wedding. Semoga menjadi keluarga yang harmonis, romantis, dan selalu diberkati Tuhan, dan selalu mengandalkan Tuhan.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you. I feel like I'm walking on water since the day that I asked your father to let go of his daughter. So give me your blessing, sir, I'll give her all that I've got. It doesn't look like much, but it sure feels like a lot. Let her take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
I never really know what love is, but whatever it is, I feel it in your kiss. You waltzed